Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can disable OneDrive from Windows 11. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my desktop on my computer, and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, right now, what you need to do guys is open your settings. If you don't find this right here, just go ahead and click on start, and then you might find this here in your pinned applications, or you can just go to the search bar and then type settings. Once you do that, go ahead and click on settings, and then we're going to be able to open your settings. Here in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find home, system, Bluetooth and devices, network and internet, personalization, apps, accounts, time and language, gaming, accessibility, privacy and security, and lastly, Windows Update. Go ahead and click on apps. And then once you do that, right here, you're going to find your installed apps, advanced app settings, default apps, offline maps, apps for website, video playback, and lastly, startup. So go ahead and click on installed apps. Once you do that, just wait for the list to load. Basically, guys, right here, you're going to find the list that includes all of the applications that you have installed on your computer. So right now, what you need to do, guys, is search for OneDrive right here, or you can just go to the search bar and then type OneDrive. Once you do that, right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find Microsoft OneDrive. Go ahead and click on these three dots here in the right, and then right here, you're going to find the option to uninstall OneDrive. So just go ahead and click on it, and then right here, they're going to tell you that this app is and its related info will be uninstalled. If you are sure about uninstalling OneDrive, just go ahead and click on uninstall, and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.